customise the look and colours on your plan, tap on the 2D option. Then tap on the Change Scheme button to the lower right of the screen. Here you can select between some preset standard options. Tap on Custom to open up the Custom Style menu. At the top you have a fill colour, which is the background colour of your rooms. When the multicoloured or by room option is selected, you can tap on each room type and choose a colour from the wheel. For this example, we will adjust some of the settings to show you how it can affect the look of your finished plan. We are going to use a custom background colour. We have a specific colour in mind, so we will use a hex code. A hex code can be very useful, especially when trying to use your company colours on the plan. Now we will alter the wall fill and wall outline colours. If you like, you can also add a colour to the symbols and the lines on your plan. On our plan, we are going to add both wall bevelling and wall shadows. You can also add item and text shadows if you like. If you have chosen a PNG image file, there is an option to change the background from white to transparent. Once you tap Save, the plan image will be updated and can now be saved out. Here is a closer look at the plan with our custom colour and style choices.